Soil is composed of sand, silt, and clay. Of these types of particles, clay has probably played the most important role for societies. You'll find most of the materials used in the making of traditional artwork in the Earth's crust. These include soil for color pigments used in paints, dyes, and inks, sand and minerals to create glass, and clay ceramics. Of course, soils are crucial in growing the food, fiber, and fuel that societies use too. Soil is even the subject of art itself. As you see the colors in the soil profile, you can see the beauty of soil itself. The land art movement started in the 1950s and features soil in artwork. In these pieces of art, soil is the dominant feature, with the texture and color of soil itself in a starring role. Societies discovered cosmetics thousands of years ago to serve many purposes: for rituals, war paint, beauty, and health. Many of the ingredients in these cosmetics came directly from the earth: clay, mud, minerals, and some pigments, to name a few. In ancient Egypt, both men and women used various oils, lotions, masks, and makeup. Ancient Greeks used red clays for lipsticks and chalk on their faces. In ancient Rome, well-to-do citizens traveled to resorts for treatments similar to what can be found in modern spas, including hot spring soaks and mud baths. Many of the permanent writings from early societies are preserved on clay tablets. The tablets were engraved with a sharp object while the clay was still wet. Then, when dried and hardened, they lasted for millennia. Poets such as Walt Whitman have written poems that refer to soil, and the famous Dracula character even imported soil from his native Transylvania to his home in England. Steinbeck's Grapes of Wrath was a novel about American life during the Dust Bowl, a disaster that occurred due to soil erosion, and the famous detective Sherlock Holmes solved crimes with the help of important clues he found in the soil. Soil is a part of our daily lives. It gives us our food, clothing, and shelter. Soil is a natural resource that performs wide-ranging services, from cleaning our water to providing a surface for our sports fields. Soil even improves our lives with artistic beauty and cultural richness. The soil on this earth is limited. It's up to us to use it wisely and preserve it for future generations, because soils sustain life.